Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tag Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you create a playlist in Facebook page in Meta Business Suite. So guys, to create a Facebook page, here you can see I'm in the Meta Business Suite, or you can just go to the URL business.facebook.com. Now after that, here you can see content, click on content. Now from here you can see playlist, click on playlist. And after creating playlist, here you can see create new playlist. You can click on this, or you can click on here, create playlist. Click on reel playlist or video playlist according to you. Now after that, here you can see you can give a title to the playlist. And for the description, you can add anything. After that, here you can see cover image. You can click on here to choose a file from your PC. Now after that, click on next. And as you can see, the playlist has been created. Now you can add videos to your playlist if you want. If you have any videos, just click on the video and click on this publish playlist, or you can also click on save as draft. You cannot publish video from this playlist, but you can publish video into this playlist by creating the post into your page from Business Meta Suite. So guys, that's how you can create playlist. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tag Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.